All right. So on this video, we have a new update. So I want to show you how you can access your analytics for your automations. All right. So on the left-hand screen, we're going to go to automation. And then if you look on this screen, so this is just me showing you what this looks like. Um, if you look on the screen, you'll see this um, these headers here at the top, right here. You see where I'm highlighting? Okay. So you have this one that says stats, right? Um, the stats, if you see a arrow going to the right, like just like these allow you to see the stats. Okay. So for example, for this one, and I might not have a good one in here that has any that actually that I ran through on this particular thing. So let's go to the ones that are published. So on here, if I click on this arrow, it'll show you the stats for emails that were delivered out of this workflow that were opened, clicked, replied, or bounced. Same for text messages that show delivered, text messages that were delivered and clicked, open, and some that failed. So just showing you that if you need the analytics, this is how you get to it for a particular workflow that you created and is actually working. Of course, if you have not ran anything through, if it's in draft, nobody's in it. So if it says like zero total enrolled or active enrolled for zero, then of course it will be zero. But anything else, you'll be able to see whether the emails actually went through, which ones didn't, and which ones were replied to. So that's how you get to your statistics for your automations.